Texture Mastery, Carpet, Rug, and Grass Effects in Adobe Illustrator. Welcome to my channel HLGRAPHICS. Embark on a creative odyssey as we delve into the art of texture manipulation in Adobe Illustrator. YouTube is undeniably the premier platform for sharing illustration and Photoshop tutorials, offering unparalleled searchability and accessibility. One trend that has captured the attention of many designers is the surge of rug texture videos. These tutorials delve into the intricate details of creating captivating textures using digital tools, sparking creativity and innovation within the design community. With YouTube's vast audience and intuitive search algorithms, these tutorials not only inspire seasoned professionals but also empower aspiring artists to hone their craft and explore new techniques. In this tutorial, I will teach you 3 textures. First, carpet texture, second, rug texture, and third, grass texture. Take 3 different colored circles of the same size and group them, then Ctrl-D press and make several copies of them and then group them as well. We'll press Ctrl-D again and make multiple copies of that too and group them together. Now begins the journey of distort and transform. Let's elevate our design journey by venturing into the realm of distort and transform. Within this dynamic toolkit lies the transformative power of roughen, where we can meticulously craft the texture of our vision. With careful adjustment of settings, we sculpt our canvas until every stroke resonates with perfection. And when satisfaction blooms, we embrace the final flourish by navigating to expand appearance. With a simple click, we breathe life into our creation, effortlessly birthing the intricate texture of a carpet. In this seamless process lies the essence of artistic liberation, where innovation meets simplicity, and creativity knows no bounds. Now click on Expand Appearance and click on Expand again so your texture will be ready. This method bestows upon us the effortless mastery of carpet texture creation within Illustrator. With each deft maneuver and nuanced adjustment, the fibers of our imagination intertwine seamlessly, weaving a tapestry of tactile richness. This process epitomizes the harmonious fusion of artistic ingenuity and technological finesse, culminating in the swift birth of intricate textures that dance upon the digital canvas. In the realm of design, where precision meets creativity, this approach serves as a beacon of simplicity, allowing our visions to materialize with unparalleled ease and grace. Now let's move to our second texture, which is the rug texture. Its method is also very easy. Let's start. In this method, instead of circles, we will take rectangular lines for lines of different colors and group them. Ctrl-D press and take multiple copies of this group, then merge them all into one group. Go to Edit, click on Distort and Transform and go to Zigzag and set your settings.
Ah,
Once again, open Distort and Transform and click on Tweak there and start setting again. Now for the third time we will use the same Distort and Transform, but now the option we will choose is Roughen. When you click the Roughen button, a perfect texture will start to appear in front of you. Complete your settings thoroughly and continue setting until you are satisfied. When your texture is complete, expand it. Now we will create another layer, which we have kept a very dark color. The purpose of this layer is to create the edges of this rug. For this we will again use the Distort and Transform, and we will choose the Roughen option. Create an edge texture and place this layer below the rug texture. You must have seen a lot of rug textures. You can also search YouTube and you will find many designers who are doing this. For the texture I have created, I have used the colors of my choice. You can use whatever you like and you can change the texture. You must try it. I am sure you will do it very easily. However, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. You must watch the video completely because I have also prepared a presentation of this rug on Photoshop. You will definitely like it. Now begins our third texture, which is all about grass, taking a completely different approach to how to create a perfect grass texture. In this we will take to small circles. And here we will use gradient colors. In one circle we have used dark shades. And in the other circle we have used light shades. Group these two circles and go to Blending Options, click on Make, then again go to Blending Options and increase the specified steps to 25. In this method we will also use Distort and Transform and select the Roughen option. A box will open in front of you in which you will set the grass texture and the texture will be created very easily. Here is a very important thing to tell you that if you have taken a small size of your board on Illustrator, then this texture will not be made, so you have to take a fairly large size, only then this texture will be in the best shape. I know our computer hangs when we take big size and do this kind of work, but please do it slowly and this texture will be created. At this point you can also change the color of the gradients. Now press Ctrl D and take as many copies as you need and group them. Now go to the blending option and increase the specified steps and reduce. Here I am expanding now. Our texture is ready. Of course you will like this grass texture very much. I have made many videos of Illustrator. You must visit my channel. Keep watching my videos and also like, share and subscribe to my channel HLGRAPHICS.